KP Sharma Oli has submitted his resignation. That's the latest information that's coming in from Nepal. On day 2 of widespread protests and violence in the country, Nepal's Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli has submitted his resignation. Remember, a number of his ministers had also resigned earlier in between yesterday and today after the protests that had happened, the Gen Z protests that are going on. There are a lot of calls being made by the protesters for the Prime Minister to resign, and we're getting you information that's coming in that KP Sharma Oli has in fact submitted his resignation. Remember, several cabinet ministers had earlier quit or announced their intention to resign, citing the current protests, the current violent protests that are going on. In fact, Prithvi Subha Gurung had earlier said that KP Sharma Oli will not resign, but now we are getting information that the Prime Minister has in fact resigned from his post, even as the protests are continuing in Nepal. The protesters have attacked several ministerial homes. They've attacked the parliament. They've tried to enter Oli's private residence. They've also entered the president's residence. The violence and the protests on the streets of Nepal continue as the protesters have been talking about rampant corruption in the country. They have been talking about economic losses. They've been talking about unemployment. They've been talking about how the government is not working for the people. And now it seems that the Prime Minister has tendered his resignation. Remember, this is day 2 of the widespread violent protests across Nepal. Just a few minutes ago, we were looking at the attacks on Oli's ministers. Cabinet ministers were being attacked. Their homes were being set on fire. And now the information that has come in is that KP Sharma Oli has in fact resigned. This seems to be a win for this Gen Z revolution that is going on. It seems that there may be a regime change in Nepal. Remember, just a short while ago, we were reporting on how KP Sharma Oli had asked the army to now step in, and the army chief had reportedly asked Oli to step down. Now it seems that has in fact happened as KP Sharma Oli has tendered his resignation. Remember, the protesters have been calling for his resignation. They've been asking